Hello there, YouTuber. How you doing? All right. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to premiere your videos on YouTube. So assuming you want to post a video on your YouTube, you've opened your YouTube channel, then you click this plus button, then you click upload a video. So we're going to be uploading a video that belongs to a pianist called Johnson Keys. You can check him online on YouTube, Olusegun Johnson Keys. So I'll pick the video. So now you click on the next button. So now the why you'll be doing that is because now let's add the title. If you are not premiering your videos, you are just cheating yourself. Yeah, you're cheating yourself. So we've added the description. All right. So I'll do another video on hashtags also. So you come to visibility. So you click. Is that you click set as an instant premiere, or in case you want the video to be played, you want the video to be accessible to your subscribers at a later date, let's say like tomorrow. For instance, today's May 5, when I'm shooting this video, and then I want to premiere at May 6, so I can just pick May 6. Yes, it automatically picks the next date. So you click the date, then let's say I want to do 10 a.m. so 10 a.m. or 10:05. 10:05. All right, so you click OK, then you click set as premiere. Don't forget that. Then you come back, so you choose your playlist. If you have a playlist, let's say piano tutorials, then you come here and you click next. Don't forget to observe YouTube's audience check. No, it's not made for kids. Then you click the upload. All right, so if you want to check your uploads, is that you check it on the notification at the top, or you come to library here, and then go to your videos. So you see the video. It has uploaded. It's currently processing. So let's wait for it to be processed, then we'll check it out. All right, so see video. So you can see now it's showing May 6. So it's not unlike the other videos. It's not showing public. It's not currently on public. It's showing May 6, 10:05 a.m. So that's where the video will be premiered. So that's how to premiere your video. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to this channel for many more tutorials. God bless you. Bye.